Disinfect, sanitize, and remove odors without touching the interior of a customer's car? Yeah, you're gonna wanna see this. If you're like us, you've spent a lot of time lately thinking about keeping your work environment safe for you, your employees, and your customers. Beyond the measures we've always taken for the hazards we can see in the body shop, now we're focusing on the ones we can't see. Germs, viruses, and not just this current bug we're facing, but the next superbug that's sure to be on its way. As with any crisis, it seems overnight, every company, OEM, jobber, and association had a solution for us on how we should be handling customers' cars. A few problems. Spraying chemicals for disinfecting can be harmful to interior panels or electronics. It's also labor intensive to clean all the surfaces, and it can be expensive when you start to add up the materials it takes to complete the job, not just when the vehicle arrives, but when it's time to deliver it back to the customer. That's why we decided to test out Tri0xyclean in our shop. When the vehicle arrives, you wheel the machine out to the car, just drop one window about an inch or two, insert the hoses, and then seal it up with tape. You're going to want to start the engine and then set the AC to recirculate. Now you're ready to start the disinfection process. It takes about 5 minutes. While the machine is working, the flashing light reminds everyone not to enter the vehicle. And when it's done, just wait another 5 more minutes for the interior to stabilize. And that's it. You're ready to drive into the shop and begin repairs. Ozone has long been used as a disinfecting and odor removing tool. It's been proven to kill SARS coronavirus. It's a quick and easy way to neutralize the interior of a customer's car without the use of chemicals and other shop materials. In fact, it's a great way to prepare a car for delivery. You don't have to worry if your customer will have a reaction to the cleaning chemicals you selected or any odor they may put off. In addition, the process also removes the solvent odors that may be present in the vehicle from the repair process itself. In many ways, this post-repair process is something we've found to be the most valuable part of the tool. Let's face it, no matter how we wrap interior pieces that we remove or how we protect the interiors during the repair, the smells of the body shop always seem to make it inside the customer's car. Knowing we can eliminate all the germs and viruses, along with all the odors, has been a hit. We can park the car for delivery, do the same treatment process as with drop-off, remove the hoses, keep the window-seal tape in place, and then add a sticker on the driver's door stating that the vehicle's been sealed for customer delivery. That way, our customer knows they're the first person entering that vehicle post-disinfection. The best part about Tri0xyclean, because it self-generates, well, there's no service or other products required to upkeep the machine. This allows for rapid ROI on your purchase. If we look at the current estimate fees for disinfection that insurers are paying, the national average is $25 of material at an hour of labor. If we average out labor to about $50 an hour, we can safely say the repairer is collecting about $75 per vehicle now for disinfecting. This means the machine, it'll pay for itself in just 33 vehicles in your shop. It's easy to see why we've made this a cool tool.